welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, make sure to subscribe. If there's a product or a service that I really think deserves to be recognized, I love going on to the channels or the sites and being able to recognize those who are doing a really good job. So one of them is the company Zero Grid. And I did get her from Amazon. Like right away, I've noticed that it is super soft. I ordered the black one because with the items that I normally wear, the black will go best with it. So as soon as I open it up, then inside, let's see here, comes the lifetime return me recovery service. So this is to protect any mobile items, devices, things like that. So that's pretty cool. All that you have to do is follow a 3-step procedure, which I will do, and I'll have you follow along, and I'll do that later on in this video. And then you have the lifetime warranty registration. So it says right here, in just 15 seconds, register your product for a lifetime of coverage. Here's the scarf itself that I am unraveling. Now I know it has snaps and things like that. Some of the other ones that I saw online, they had just the scarf itself. So I thought that this was pretty cool because you can do it as a cover, you can have it as a scarf. They have the snaps right there, so that way it makes it easy to convert and do different styles with it. All right, let me try this out and see how to do this. I'm trying to find, I know that there's 2 pockets in here too. So that's really cool, as you can see too. That way when you go out, you don't have to worry about trying to take a purse or anything. Honestly, the only thing that I have to take with me anymore after having twins and trying to carry what looked like a whole weekend's worth of stuff, I have simplified and have gone down to just having a wristlet. So this is even more minimal than having a wristlet, which is really nice. So anytime, there's the second pocket too. Anytime that I have to go out now, I can just grab this. Hopefully you can see a better angle with it. But right here you have it where you can do the snaps, and that way you can snap everything together. If you take the snaps, and what you can do is just snap it together. All right, so you can have it such as that, and that way it's nice and covering for the shawl. There we go. All right, then being that it's all snipped together, able to turn it into your infinity scarf. Move it together right there. Okay. Find my pockets, and that's going to be the biggest thing too, is that I want to keep it where I can easily access everything that I need. So that's perfect right there. All right. So there's that one. So you can do that. That way you have your scarf, all that other good stuff with it, and then you can also adjust it. So if you want to make it look just a little different with it too, you can. There you go. And that's it. So, okay. What we'll do next is, or what I'll do next, I will take you through the login process and see how simple that is, and go from there.
We are on the return.me website provided from Zero Grid. I already already registered and I do have an account here because I wanted to make sure that everything was going to flow smoothly and wanted to see how the setup process was. So I had activated my code before, but then I deactivated it so that way I could process everything through and see how it was going to turn out. So I'm going to type in my code real quick. I'm going to click on Activate Now. Step 1, tag activation. Right here is the ID code, and the protected wallet is going to be others, and we're going to write in scarf. As you can see, I already wrote that in. Step 3 is the confirmation. So they are looking for the model, color, etc. And I had ordered the Midnight Travel Infinity scarf. Click on continue. Which zero grid product did you receive? And we will go to Neck Wallet. Where was your product purchased? On Amazon. And of course the link to purchase the scarf is down below in the detailed descriptions on this video. Would you like us to send you news on our latest products? Right now I'm going to click on no thanks just because I'm already signed up with them. And click on continue. Up pops the welcome to the Return Me family. As you can see, it says now that was easy. Your account has been successfully created. I'm going to click on continue. And there we go. We are done. Right here it states when I first activated the scarf, and that was on December 8th. And the expiration date for the Return Me Global Recovery Service is March 8th of 2020. As you can see, they have some pretty cool stuff that is available. They have the whole About Us section that talks about what they do, how it works. Next, we're going to Zero Grid. If it will let me type. There we go. What's going on? Let's see here. There we go. I knew I was in here already. As you can see, I've already registered and done the lifetime warranty. It really only takes about 15 seconds to register your product, and you receive a lifetime of coverage. So it is a 100% money back guarantee from Zero Grid. The cards that were placed within the package, follow along with those, and you will be successfully set up and have everything nice and ready to go, so you can have a carefree, stress-free, relaxing day out, whether you are wearing the travel scarf to the park or a day out with friends or family. For the holidays, it's perfect timing with that as well, or to travel. Thank you so much for all of your time. I will put the link down below so you can purchase your own Zero Grid travel scarf. If there are any other products that you would like me to review or to discuss, please DM me on my Instagram page, or you may leave a comment down below. And until then, friends, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.